Hello, in this video we practice some Python exception handling programs. Okay, so first, what is exception? So an exception is an error that happens during the execution of a program. Okay, so so in some programs we got an error. Okay, it's nothing but an exception. So why we use this exception? Because error interrupts the flow of the program. Okay, if there's a 100 lines of code is there, if you got an error in the middle of the program, so immediately the program terminates. Okay, so rest of the code won't execute. So to stop executing, so to stop further means the exception has to handle, so that the interpreter can execute all the code that exists after the exception. Okay, so how we handle exception, we will see here. Okay, for example, there are so many exceptions are there, built-in exceptions, and also user-defined exceptions are there. First we will see some built-in exceptions here. What are the built-in exceptions? So first program, write a Python program to handle a zero division error exception when you're dividing a number by zero. Okay, when dividing a number by zero you will get an error. Okay, so how we handle this error we will see here. Okay, simple. First write here write some result is equal to whatever 10 by 0. Okay, so we are raising error here, print res. So check what error will come here. See, zero division error, division by 0. Okay, we got a zero division, a built-in error, we got it. We have to handle this error here. In serial time, suppose 100 lines of code is there, in middle of the code somewhere code like this one is there, so it terminates the program, rest of the line. Okay, so that terminates the program whenever error caught in the middle of the program. So if you don't want to stop the execution in middle of the program, you have to raise an exception here. How you raise an exception? Using try and except block. Okay, using try and except keyword, you raise an exception. Try, wherever you want to raise an exception, okay, you have to write that in try code, try block here. Okay, try block. Okay, so if try block has a code, if try block code has an exception, that you have to handle in the except block. Okay, except zero division error. Okay, so print any statement. Okay, print statement, whatever you can statement. Okay, division is not allowed, whatever, division is not allowed, division by 0 is not allowed. Okay, division by 0 is not allowed. So like this, if you write this try except like this in a big program, so that the program flow won't stop execution even though you got an error, zero division error. Okay, so just execute now this one. See, division by 0 is not allowed. Okay, suppose if you write here 10 instead of 10 by 0, 10 by 2, so there is no need of except block because the code executes here, there is no need error here. Okay, 5. Okay, so if there is error in the try block, so the try block the except block handles the exception of the try block. Okay, so except and try, except block has to play conjunction with this try block here. Okay, except block where the exceptions are handled. Okay, based on the try block here, you have to remember that one, try and except block here. Okay.